everybody, we are headed off to do a Dunkin' Donuts drain again. It's the floor drain up in Manchester. So we're gonna go snake that one out. Wish us luck and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Thanks. I'm here for the floor drain.
Hi, Shelly.
Hi, that little one that randomly ran in here. Go back out to the truck. That's my little one.
People want to know if you're a female doing this. If it was a male, it would be plumber's crack.
Oh.
So for the female, what's it called?
Nothing, because I know how to pull my pants up.
Oh, okay. There's your answer.
Yep, it's not called anything when you know how to pull up your pants.
Alexis, they want to very much
Okay.
Actually, yeah, it's actually gone down a little since I pulled out that paper, but...
Yeah, it's probably slowly draining.
I mopped it 3 times before we got here.
You did what?
Mopped it 3 times.
Oh.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna go grab the machine and I'll be right back in.
Alright, cream and sugar in this one, you said? Alright.
And honestly, even my husband, we don't believe in plumber's crack.
Can I split the tips?
Whoa! Have to? I can do
I can do
it.
it. I know how to do it.
Then you can. What are you waiting on? Well, you gotta wait.
Wait a little bit.
Yeah.
Too many people.
Slab over here, right?
It's what?
On slab, there's no basement?
No.
Okay.
No basement.
some bad news for Scott.
Oh boy. Still jacked up?
I think it's broken. My cable's coming back shiny.
What does that mean?
That the drain might be broken in the floor.
Ooh.
See how it's coming back shiny?
Uh-huh.
And where the rest of it's all dark?
Mm-hmm. No good.
I might have some bad news for you. This drain might be broken. My cable's coming back shiny. I'm gonna try the my bigger cable and see if I can actually feel what I'm hitting. Usually I use the smaller cable that I have because it goes through these traps a lot easier. But this cable, my entire cable was black, and then where I have my hook to go through the traps and stuff, it's coming back fully shiny. So I'll try the Viking real quick. If that doesn't get it to drain, then and that comes back shiny, I have a feeling, because there's no basement here, so why does it what?
Why did it make your thing shiny?
Because if there's nothing underneath this and I'm not just coming out the side of the pipe, you have to figure you're on dirt.
Mm-hmm.
So if there's a hole in the pipe and it's on slab, it's going to be surrounded, the pipe itself is going to be surrounded in dirt. So if it goes out the side, it's going to turn the entire tip of the pipe shiny, almost like sandblasting.
Oh, okay. Definitely digging in mud.